Rahim, this is a October 14, 12 variant, question number 8. And what a question is, find us the first n terms of arithmetic progression formula given by him. Find out first term and the common difference. So have a look now. First of all, I will plug in 0 in every place. 32 times to 0 minus 0 square. I got 0. Then replace every n by 1. So 32 times to 1 and minus 1 to power 2. I got I got 31. Okay. Then replace every n by 2. So 32 times to 2 and minus 2 square. And that will become 64, and 64 minus 4 is coming 60. If I'm looking for T1, what is the formula? S1 minus S0. If I'm looking for T2 and S2 minus S1. What is basic formula? This number always same and this number 1 less than that. Again, this number same and this number 1 less. Similarly, if I'm looking for fourth term, so S4 minus S3. I hope so the point is very, very clear. So S1 is what we have, 31, and S0 is 0. So first term I'm getting is 31. Now let's go for second term. S2 is 31. And S1, sorry, here I have to check it. Yeah, S2 is 60, sorry, S2 is 60. S2 is 60. S1 is 31. And I got 29. Second term is 29. But he asking for what? Common difference. In common difference, all of you know T2 minus T1. So it means the 39 minus 31. So common difference is coming here, -2. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, the point is very clear. And let's go for the next part. Next part is asking here that in geometric progression in which all terms are positive have sum infinity 20. And sum of the first two terms is this one. So for, let's say first term is A. How to get second term? Into R, multiply with R. I got AR. So sum of the first two terms is 12.8. And sum infinity is 20. So let's start. Sum of infinity is 20 he given us. So sum infinity is 20, number 1. And A plus AR is equals to 12.8. Let me recheck. Yeah, 12.8. So what is sum infinity formula? 1 minus R is 20. So this goes there, and I can say 20 times to 1 minus R, equation number 1 ready. And here I can take A common. I got this. I have many ways to do it. Solve them simultaneously, or I have this is called A value. I will plug in here. So when I plug in there in 2, okay, so put A value in 2. So when this whole thing will go there, it will look like this: 20 times to 1 minus R times to 1 plus R. 12.8. This 20 will divide under it. And this, you know, first term match, second term match, sign opposite. You know, A squared minus B squared. So 1 minus R squared. If you don't like it, so multiply, 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 and multiply, you get the same answer. Anyway. Now 1 minus 12 by 8 by 20, R square goes there, and this comes this side. If I take the rule, if I solve it, 1 minus 12.8 divided by 20, I get R square equal to 0.36. When I take a root, okay, I got two answers, plus and minus 0.6. But he said ignore negative. So we got 0.6 is the R value, negative ignore. And what he was asking further, he said even here, check all positive values are there, terms which all positive, geometric progression which all terms are positive. And he asking first term of progression we're looking for first term of progression. This R value, I will plug in it here. So A and 1 plus 0.6 equals to 12.8. And 12.8 divided by 1.6, because is okay. So answer is coming 8. So we got a first term. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, point is clear.